Hello everyone, let me tell you about the RepubliK application. It's a cool social media platform that allows users to connect, share ideas, and engage in meaningful discussions. Whether you're into politics, sports, or just want to connect with like-minded people, RepubliK has got you covered. So get ready to join the conversation and make your voice heard. Now, RepubliK is an amazing application that brings a whole new level of convenience to your life. It allows you to connect with friends, share content, and even discover new events happening around you. With its sleek interface and user-friendly features, creating engaging YouTube videos about RepubliK will be a breeze. So why wait? Dive into its world of possibilities and let your audience know why they need this app in their lives. Here's a step-by-step guide to register on the RepubliK application. 1. Download and install the RepubliK app from your device's app store. 2. Open the app and tap on the register button. 3. Fill in your personal information like your name, email address, and phone number. 4. Create a unique username and password for your account. 5. Agree to the terms and conditions of the app. 6. Verify your email or phone number through the confirmation link or code sent to you. 7. Complete any additional steps required, such as setting up your profile picture or adding a bio. 8. Congratulations! You are now registered on RepubliK and ready to explore its features. How to earn XP on the RepubliK app. You can follow these steps. 1. Start by logging into your RepubliK account. 2. Explore the different activities and challenges available on the app. 3. Participate in discussions, share your thoughts, and engage with other users. 4. Join communities that align with your interests and contribute to the conversations happening there. 5. Complete tasks and missions assigned by the app. 6. Interact with posts by liking, commenting, and sharing. 7. Be an active and positive member of the RepubliK community. Remember, the more you engage, the more XP you earn. So go out there and have a blast earning those points. How to collect airdrops on the RepubliK application. You can follow these steps. 1. Open the RepubliK app on your device. 2. Navigate to the airdrops section. 3. Find the airdrop you're interested in and click on it. 4. Follow the instructions provided to complete the airdrop process. Remember to keep an eye out for new airdrops and enjoy collecting those sweet rewards. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe and on the notification bell button so that you will be able updated for my next upload.